let's draw. This is a square. This is another square. We are drawing a television. Now let's color this. This is a green color, orange color, dark green color, blue color, pink color, light pink color, yellow color, sky blue color, red color. Now let's color this. Sky blue color. Light pink color. Light green color. Light green color, blue color, orange color, pink color, light pink color, dark green color, yellow color, sky blue color, red color. Like the video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you in the next video.